Hi friends, it's Miss Lauren from the Children's Workshop in Rumford. Since the weather's getting warmer, I thought it'd be a fun idea to make a nice, sweet, cold treat. So today, I'm going to be making popsicles out of lemonade and fruit. So come on and join me, I'm going to tell you what you need. You're going to need a bowl or a big measuring cup, lemonade or any juice of your choice, a spoon, any fruit of your choice. I chose kiwi, some water. I'm going to be using these popsicle molds. So after you've gathered everything you're going to need, the first step is to wash your hands. After you've washed your hands, the next step is to add your water to your bowl. For this lemonade pack, it calls for 2 quarts. Next, I'm going to pour my lemonade into the water. I'm going to mix. After I'm done mixing, I'm then going to begin pouring the lemonade into the popsicle molds. Next, you're going to cut your kiwi into tiny slices. Make sure you have an adult help you with this part. And you're going to put them inside each popsicle mold. If you need to, you can add a little bit more lemonade to your popsicle mold. After you put all the tops on, it's then time to put them in the freezer. While you're waiting for them to freeze, you can clean up your mess, go outside, or do some fun activities in the house such as read a book. After freezing for 4 to 5 hours, it's time to take off the molding and enjoy. Now it's time to enjoy. Delicious! Thank you so much for making popsicles with me today. I had a lot of fun and I hope you had a lot of fun too. Stay safe and have fun. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!